Hi guys, I'm Mr. Steve and this is my fact of the week. Today we're going to talk about why the sky is blue. Now the reason the sky is blue is very similar to the reason why we get rainbows. It all has to do with the behaviour of light. You see, the light emitted from the sun is what we call white light. White light is every colour of light you can think of all mixed together. It's also important to know when light passes through two mediums of different densities, it refracts, which looks like a bending in the light. It's important to know that not all light bends equally.
Now let's look at this Pink Floyd album. First we have our light stream coming in and hitting the prism. Some of it actually reflects off through this way. However, some of it goes through the prism and bends. You can see a clear bending on the light right here. Now as you can see, it's slightly scattering in the center here. But however, as it exits the prism, it scatters again, and this time the light actually separates into its base colors. And this is where we get the colours of our rainbow. Now, it's important to note, as the light comes out of the prism, down here, the blue is actually bending a lot more than the red up here. It's important to note this bending of the light, because this is exactly why the sky is blue. Now, back to Earth. Now, the first thing we need to know is space and the Earth's atmosphere have completely different densities. Now, as the light actually enters the Earth's atmosphere, it bends and scatters everywhere, just like this. Now, remember, the blue light is actually scattering a lot more than the red light. So, if I'm standing here on Earth, I'm seeing the light that's only bending a little bit. Now, that's your blue light. So, as you look up, you're seeing mainly blue. However, if I'm standing here on the edge of the Earth, all I'm seeing is the red light, and this is actually at our sunset, and that's why we get red sunsets, because the light actually isn't bending as much as the blue light. Now that's why the sky is blue during the day, because the light is scattering the most.
Now, the sky isn't just blue. In fact, in the morning it starts red, then goes through and progresses through all the colours of the rainbow until it's blue throughout most of the day. At night, it goes back through the spectrum of the rainbow, back to red. Now I'm Mr. Steam, and this is why the sky is blue.